Ash. Hey. There. Come close to my weapon. Head there. Alright.
You just fired 2 out, it's not a fucking shotgun, mate.
No, by accident. Look, watch this.
Yeah.
Go that far. I'll mount myself here. With you.
Where's everyone else gone then?
Over there.
Shall we go join them? Because we're not seeing shit here. Oh, my fucking mag fell out. They'll probably come from there, actually.
Yeah. Across that way. We might stay here with you. You got extra.
Hang on, stay here for a second. I've got to load this mag again.
Hey, got a better idea. But. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, where are we? We should give them coming from down there. We've got a team along that. We need some space. We need space. Yeah, let's just move. Wait a sec. Come on. I've got to load this fucking pistol.
There you go.
Valuable tactical importance of this pistol is loaded at all times. We need to go rejoin everyone else.
Happy to help them out.
We should go help them out. Well, let's go get the rest of the squad, don't we?
Nah, that's free. Goes that way.
Yeah.
Them get wrecked over there.
They're moved over there, aren't they?
I'm thinking.
Let's head down to where it says where the 9 sign is and push backwards from there. Because look, they're there.
I'm thinking go there. Got a perfect angle downwards.
Let's go down.